Hello everybody, my name is Khalid Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to calibrate the LCD touchscreen in a Garmin Nuvi 2360 LMT. So here's how we do it. First thing you need to do is you need to turn the GPS off completely. Just pressing the power button or pressing this off button is not completely off. It's charging in its standby mode. If I press the power, it comes back on immediately. That's not good. It has to be totally off. How do we do that? You press and hold the power and continue to hold until you see that little faded charging goes away. So you continue to hold. Don't let go. Now it's completely off. Now put your finger in the upper left corner. Put it there. Don't let go. Put it there as it turns back on. So just hold your finger. It's going to take some time. It probably is going to take about 30 seconds, maybe a little more or less, but you have to hold your finger in there and wait patiently. It's about time for the calibration screen to appear, and which will be a white background and a dot. The dot, you have to use a very pointy object, something that's not too wide, not your finger is too wide. Something like a pointy object. And like a stylus. This is a stylus. Press the dot. The center of the dot. The center of the dot. Continue as it moves. And voila. Our calibration is complete and the GPS is ready to go. Alright, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.